This is my 2002 Porsche 911 that I'm converting to a GT3RS 991 style. And today is body shop day. Well, I was just gonna, I think that'll be too much. I think it will be, won't it? Just wonder if I can make it. Yeah, you can't, I can't tip the trailer, because if I put the jockey wheel, the trailer will just tip up when we go on it. If you had little feet at the back and you could put them down. Yeah, let's try. So if you watch it as well, I think it's definitely gonna catch. I mean land. Right, so watch the lip. Is he gonna catch? Yeah. Good. How about the lip? Gonna clear? Back. Right, how about in the middle? How about in the middle, as in back to front? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. You can only just open the doors. Oh yeah, nice, isn't it? Mitch is all loaded up and strapped down, so let's make our way to Automotive Finesse. Yeah, so like I say, we're off to see Automotive Finesse and my mate Rudy, who usually does me a good deal on the bodywork he's going to do for me. Now, I went to his place not so long ago when he had an open day. Check out this video. Some of you guys probably know that the body shop that I use is Automotive Finesse, which is my friend Rudy I've known for a lot of years. And he has an amazing place, but guess what? He's just upgraded to an even bigger place. Yes, he's upgraded to the Big Red Shed here in Doncaster. And I've been invited to the open day, and I'm going to bring you guys along as well. Let's go check it out. So here we are inside the Big Red Shed. Let me show you what we've got on display here today. So that was just some of the cars I got in the main sort of showroom area here, but look at these two cars now. Even the customer waiting room just oozes quality in this place. That is always a good sign. Yeah, what an amazing place. This is where I am bringing my Porsche 996, the GT3RS conversion. And that's it from me here at Automotive Finesse's new shop at the Big Red Shed. Back to the video.
So after we got there and we took the straps off the car, I had a good sit down with Rudy and we had a discussion for about an hour on what I want him to do with this paint job. He's then, as you can see here, gone round the car with a yellow pen and marked up all the areas that we'd agreed on colour wise and places that are going to need a little bit of body work on. Well, to be quite frank, a lot of body work, but I trust Rudy to do that. And yeah, I'm going to fill in that look as some of you had said, so the rear wiper will get filled in. That needs to be satin black as we've agreed, and it's going to be satin black around there, which is like on the original. Bit of work there for the bonnet to fit correctly. And a bit more work at this side. And just odds and sods. To be honest, I think the bodywork on this body kit is pretty good. I've asked Rudy to fix the petrol flap there because that just didn't fit at all, and that's not my fault. That's obviously the shape of the hole in the wing. And I'm going to get this bit filled in here as well so we don't get a join. That's going to look really nice. He said he's even going to bond in the side air intake vents for me as well. Of course, the rear bumper has a satin black all the way around also.
Yeah, you're all right. Yeah. Yeah, it should be going up now. Go on. Yeah. Yeah, you're off.
Right, so here we go now. We've got it here, Automotive Finesse. I'm going to hand over the keys to this guy here who's going to make this look amazing for me. Is that right?
Yes, it is, yeah.
Fantastic.
Looking forward to it.
Great, let's leave it with Automotive Finesse. So what we'll do, we'll pop in during the course of this. It's going to take quite a few weeks, if not months, to get this sorted. So when these guys are doing anything interesting, they're going to give me a call and I'm going to come back and do a bit of videoing for you guys. And that's it now. Trailer has been returned, so that's the end of the day for me. It's just the beginning for obviously the car to be at the body shop and come out in the right colour, which you'll get to see the right colour in a later episode. So stay tuned to this channel. So if you do like videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button as well so you know when I've dropped a new video. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, stay safe.